name is Tatum. Today we are going to learn about making tie-dye. All that you need is some water, a white shirt, some vinegar, some of your colors, a fork and a plastic bag. Your first step is take your t-shirt, dip it in water and soak it. You must squeeze all the water out so it's just a little bit damp. Next step, you're going to take the fork, you put it in the place that you want it to be, and then you roll it. Now you just twist it. Next, pull the fork out nicely. Now you get elastic or twine, tie up your t-shirt. Once you divided it into slices, then you can tie-dye. For this shirt, I'm using blue and orange. First we take blue, one section at a time. Make sure you get all the spots. Don't forget to do the other side as well. Next, we will put the t-shirt inside the plastic bag. Let the t-shirt sit inside the plastic bag where it's sunny for 8 hours. Our t-shirt has been inside the sun for 8 hours. Next, we're going to take it out of the plastic. We're going to take the string off. Now we're going to rinse it in water. You gotta wash it good and get all the excess dye out. Once you wash it out good, wring out all the water. Now we're just going to lay it out here, make our dye effective mix. All you need is vinegar and water. The ratio of vinegar to water is 1:1. Then we put our t-shirt in the solution. Let it soak for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. Ta-da! That looks awesome. Now all you gotta do is dry it out in the sun. These are some other t-shirts that I made. If you think they look cool, please like the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you later, alligator.